I'm making pancake now. Chocolate pancake. See the butter, the same like the consistency is okay, but not more. We are so used to pressing butter like this. Why? It's coconut milk.
Oh, it's fine.
Crunchy Nigerian pancake is different from this one. So if you want Nigerian own / this one, just add pepper. Please open it for me. I'm living my life like this guy with you. Living my life like this guy with you. Is it difficult? Oh yeah, now. You see chicken and be running away, but look at how you are masticating chicken. You're eating chicken. Shoo, you do. Shoo. This is zobo syrup. I'm adding zobo syrup to my. Hey, imagine. Just negodi. Yeah, eating chicken this. Hey, wow. You see chicken in the market, like chicken. Also be. Haha. Hey, is it that sweet? Eh? Is it the sweetest?
Yes,
No, that's bay leaf. Hey, no, what is this eating? Before they call me mad woman now. She's a mad woman, she does not know what she's doing. She's a psycho. You can enter 3 now, you can put the 3rd one here. See space.
that's tinier than all of that.
It's bigger.
Can they be? It's true.
It's more
Can
than
they be a
that.
4th one?
No, there's no space. I said a mini one.
When you called my name.
I said mini one. You put mini one there. Very mini, very tiny, small one. Mini. Chocolate pancake. She says she has discovered new method of making her own pancake. That's how she likes it. Let me put it on top. Plating by the side.